You don't like Burning Man?
And throw Burning Man away.
You threw Burning Man away?
Why'd you throw Burning Man away? I don't know.
Burning Man's yucky.
Yucky?
Yeah.
Why?
Burning Man away.
You don't want to throw Burning Man away.
Burning Man away.
You don't like Burning Man?
I like Burning Man.
Dad likes Burning Man.
It sounds like my
Dad,
situation.
you don't
with
like
Burning Man.
Burning Man.
No, I
Dad
don't
doesn't.
like it at all.
You like Burning Man.
Yeah, Dad likes Burning Man.
Daddy don't like Burning Man. Daddy don't like Burning Man. That's right. Back there, throw Burning Man away. He don't go in there, so you won't get them. Oh, I see.
But how do you really feel about Burning Man? Yeah, me too.